Hey guys, I hope you guys are about to enjoy the video that you're about to watch, and if you guys want to get access to awesome trades like this that me and Hayden post on a regular basis, all you have to do is sign up with the link in the description. Now remember, we're not always going to win them, but we're going to make some great gains along the way. Feel free to check out the profit and loss history on my website. Peace.
Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. New mic setup, so everything should be sounding nice and very clear. Now let's dive right into it here. Now we can see that Bitcoin has broken out, and it does appear that this small ABC for the wave 4 was in fact the bottom, and we did not go any lower than that, and we triggered off of there, and we just have been rallying non-stop since then. So it looks like we are, in the final phases, although I would say the final phases have more room to run for Bitcoin to be topping out before we retrace before the halving or during the halving, and then it's going to turn into, my opinion, a great buying opportunity, probably final buying opportunity, if not for buying Bitcoin at I wouldn't say cheap price, but a cheaper price than 60,000, and maybe then you guys can benefit during the bull rally, or maybe I'm completely wrong and we just continue off into infinity, and that would be great. But we'll see once we get there. So we've just had a parabolic run today on the daily candle, and another one right now. And as we speak, I think Bitcoin just spiked to 57,000, I believe, and we've just stalled out since then. Now, to me, this looks like, we'll just get on some smaller time frames here. To me, this looks like we've just gotten a bit of a wave 1, here, 2, 3, and then you're gonna, because you've just erased divergence, so 3, and now you should pull back in a 4, and then continue up in a 5, and potentially you'll finish up, maybe we'll go to 59, 58,000, and at which point we'll retrace in a bigger wave 2, possibly a very deep pullback, which could also turn into a very nice buying opportunity into a 3, 4, and a 5, right? And then you'll maybe finish your cycle around this area that I have targeted right here, between 61,000 to 68,000. But make no mistake, once we enter the larger area of the targeted wave 5 here, drawn from the wave 2 to to the wave 4, the target is between 58,000 to 71,000 now. Right, because now I've just raised it, so then Bitcoin's breaking out, and we did not go for the deeper pullback. Right, I did say that wave 4s are known to be shallow, and looks like it's been very shallow. Could this truncate and end at any moment? Yeah, I mean it could. It technically could just end here, and we start to go down from there. But right now, from what I'm tracking, I think we should get some more upside. We may get more impulsiveness, unless, like I said, the markets fall down and they roll over. Then you'll see a stall out in Bitcoin, and then it may take a pause. And that's the only thing that I could see right now that could derail this rally in the short term. When I look at the 4-hour here, it doesn't look like we've erased divergence, so you're still good for this wave 3 being the high and finishing up. And I think at that point, once we get to these levels, maybe we'll get a bigger wave 2, right? Or maybe the 5th wave will finish and we'll be done. Okay. Anyways, that's it for now. On the TA chart, sorry, I'll get on to Market Cipher and we'll take a look at Wave Edge to give you guys a bit of an idea of where we are in the cycle. This cannot be right. I'm looking at the weekly and it's showing that this is an A, B, and a C, and we're going to go down to $3,000 Bitcoin, which I doubt that we will. When I look at the wave 5, it should be finishing up. We have increasing money flow, green money flow on the daily. Looking at the smaller time frames, the 4-hour, we were in red money flow. We've crossed back into the green now. However, the momentum waves, I believe they are curling in right now on the 2-hour. Oh, actually, the 1-hour is still looking good on green money flow. So you could technically get even more upside, right? You got a green money flow on almost every single time frame right now. So this is looking quite bullish. I don't see anything to complain about. So it's a green light. Hold on to your longs, right? We could still have a lot of room to run on this. And the altcoins, they're following suit right now, which is amazing to see. Let me take a look at market cipher. Oh, sorry, wave edge. Sorry. So wave edge, we were just bouncing within this range here. I actually did attempt a bit of a short opportunity here within the range, but looks like we got stopped out. And obviously, good thing we got stopped out because this thing ran up like crazy. And could you imagine if I stayed in my short, I'd be like at a 70% loss. So that's why we take those small losses, right? And then you move on to the next opportunity. And right now, Bitcoin is very, 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 very impulsive. It's, towards the upside. It may have just found a bit of a top here at 57. If it does pull back, it could turn into a buy the dip opportunity, but we'll see. We will see when the patterns play out. We don't want to rush into anything. You can even get wave edge on the smaller time frames. You can see when big money accumulates, and you can see when they start to sell. And when Bitcoin's ranging, that's usually the best time to use this, right? On the smaller time frames, at least. You can see when we're in a range, they sell, and then they buy on the dips, and then you just chop within the range. And you can even do it on the 30-minute. You can see when they buy, and you can see when they sell. Anyways, that's it for wave edge. I actually want to take a look at a couple of altcoins that I've been following. Hex, in my opinion, could be set to break out at any moment. It is in a bit of a symmetrical triangle here, and I did let the Discord know that it does look like I believe it was called sorry, let me just pull it up here. I keep forgetting. Oh yeah, that's what it's called. It's called a Wyckoff. It's looking like a Wyckoff accumulation. I can actually pull it up here for you guys. There we go. So I actually laid it out here very clearly for people. So it looks like phase A, phase B, phase C, phase D. I think we are currently in phase D, and we are set to take off at any moment. But again, I say any moment. It could be weeks, right? It doesn't mean a couple of hours. It could mean a couple of weeks. But overall, very bullish and very excited. If Hex has a great run, then we're going to make a lot of money. All right. If you guys want me to take a look at your coins, your altcoins or whatever, just leave them in the description and I'll be more than happy to do so. Have a wonderful evening, guys, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Peace.